Do you want to make your man commit to you? I absolutely understand what you're going through. Maybe you've been dating for a long time and you are wondering why he hasn't committed to you yet. Or maybe you want to know if something that you're doing is keeping your man from committing to you. Or maybe you are just fed up with taking things slow. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 things men want in a woman to make him committed. How exactly do they make him committed to you? How to easily do those things in a way that builds attraction. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you a simple trick you can use to make him fear losing you. But before that, if you like videos about preventing your relationship from fading away and experiencing a beautiful relationship, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. I've also put together a swipe file with 5 phrases you can say to a guy to make him instantly addicted to you. Okay, let's get into the video. Number 1, fellowship. This is the strongest thing that men love about relationships. He wants to have the ability to share the things he wants. Men can't share their emotions with guy friends, like the way you do with your girlfriends. So having that fellowship and closeness is just massive to men. Number 2, support. Support is absolutely fundamental in a relationship. Men absolutely love having that support from their girlfriends. The caring and nurturing she provides is just so valuable to men. He wants someone who can pick him up when he's down and provide support. That is just priceless. Number 3, excitement. A good relationship is exciting, and that is a fantastic goal as a girlfriend for you. When he knows that you make this relationship exciting, he knows that if you are his wife, he can have a really exciting life with you. He would love to go to exciting places with you, doing exciting things and just be an exciting couple. And if you can provide it, you become the center of his world. So those are the 3 things that make men commit. But you must know, when you provide support, excitement, and fellowship, don't provide them for his leisure. Provide them as you want, just give them only a little, just when he needs it. That shows your potential as a girlfriend, and then he will make you a priority. And, since you've come to the end, here is a secret way to make him fear losing you. You can use this to open up a guy's eyes and make him realize that he will lose you if he doesn't get his act together. And the way is, just focus on your independent social life. You need to keep your own time. You need to keep your life going. You don't need to play any mind games. Just live your healthy life. Have your own friends. This shows him that you have a life besides him. And if he doesn't value you enough, you will not stay. So, commitment issues are common in any relationship. This would be easy if he is addicted to you, if he is obsessed with you. So that's why I've put together a swipe file with 5 phrases you can say to a guy to make him instantly addicted to you. So click the link in the description now to get your free download. And if you want more videos about women's relationships, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.